Don't miss prime time. As the sun is setting and the shadows deepening, the idea of heading home or to camp before darkness descends is perfectly natural. By doing so, however, you might miss out on the day's best fishing time, those precious minutes between sunset and darkness. That's when fish will be on the move, more likely to strike than at any time since dawn. If your gear includes a small flashlight or headlamp, you'll have no reason to dread the dark. Keep on fishing. It may pay off between sunset and darkness. Please like and subscribe to learn it all.